How to create a URL redirect in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. Now, if you don't understand what I'm trying to say here, is basically, let's say we have a page, which is this contact page that we have by default. Let's say we want to create a new one for contact us, a new contact us page, and we want to remove this one. But the contact tag here from the URL, we want people to use as well. So whenever someone enters this URL, they're actually going to be redirected to the new one as well. So if people are used, they're used to visiting a specific URL that they want for the contact page, you can still use it for the new page. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first thing is going to be creating a new page here for the contact us, or whatever type of page that you actually want to create. So I'm just going to create a new page and I will get back to you once that's done. So now we have this new one, which is contact us. And if we see the URL to it, is going to be the link of our URL. And also we have this now. So instead of contact, it's now contact us. So we want this to work as well as this to also work and redirect them to this page. So how do we do so? First, we want to get this over here. So go to the default page that you want to remove and make sure you copy this section right over here. So we want all of this. And now we basically want to exit out of here and we want to go to online store. We want to go to navigation. From navigation, we basically want to click on view URL redirects. So just go and click on that. And then basically we want to create a URL redirect, sorry. So now we want basically the redirect from to be the original URL that we want it to work. So it's going to be this one. This is going to be the original page, so contact. We want it to work for the new one. So it's going to redirect to the new one, which is going to be /pages/contact -us for me, obviously. For you, it may be something else. So just go in and save this. And now it should actually be saved. This way, for example, if we just go back to pages and we don't have this contact page anymore, it's, it's very much gone. Or I believe I can even remove it. But we don't have this one anymore, so we can just go ahead and open up the URL. Is actually going to redirect us to this one. So let's just go ahead and try it out. So I did delete the original one, which is contact. So let's just go and test it out first. So let's just go to this one. Now it should work if we remove this contact us part and let's just keep it to contact. This way, if we just hit enter, it's actually going to redirect us to this new one now, instead of, having it as the previous one. So this is all for this video. Hopefully it was, easy to follow. I know I did say, hopefully I just didn't make it more confusing. It's very, very easy to do. Just go to navigation, click on view URL redirects, and then create URL redirect. And then from here, you basically want to add the URL, the previous one, which doesn't exist anymore, or maybe the page is, gone now, that people are used to using. Put it over here, and then you just want to add the new page URL that you want them to be redirected to. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.